Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today is the next class of Etsy course. Today I will talk more about how you can build actually ideas and what to sell in the digital category. So let's get started. Let's move on to the story. I've already created about 30 keywords or you can say 30 products that you can sell on Etsy. And here it is. I will share the file with you or the small down of the comment section. I'm going to share this file with you. So currently I am selecting with a little planner or self-care planner. Okay, so let's go there and put Etsy. We have to actually search the keyword on the Etsy to see what people are offering against this keyword for. I select this keyword that is self-care planner appetite. So that's any gives would be that we're offering the search care planners to get the idea what we need to make. Okay, so here you can see PLLE, so it's like here should road and the city. So at the same time, I'll read a selling a series from the software reports and the spirituals. He happens to share the previous and you waited it apart. Okay, and one more tip, and that is other new post go dropship. Now people are selling this managed digital ad look how they are also selling and visit they finding up this matter. Here I can see all of the digital downloads. Digital download. All of these banners are actually digital downloads. And no one is selling this banner as a physical item. So people have to download it, you can swear have to download it and print it by himself. So if you want to sell the printing version, that is easy. If you want dropship, you can for dropship these digital products from Amazon. Like if you go there and type here, so here, yeah, so that up to that, just the communication issue less. Those we are being creative. US hit apply and then click done, continue. After that, you can see here we have sent good miles. So we captured up from Memo 1 and sell the accuracy. Similarly, just go down the comment section, you get this file from me, and where this file says ability, this will be right here. Let's appear for both the digital products, and the digital products are best. Along with it, it can also do for a friend of mine. Digital products as very best niche as it has no, you'd love her to fulfill them. Okay, so that's all important. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to show the video, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.